Welcome to Science Hub. Today, we're diving into a groundbreaking medical innovation that is changing lives: gene therapy. Imagine being able to restore sight to those with rare genetic eye conditions. This is not science fiction but the remarkable reality brought to us by a breakthrough treatment called Luxturna. This therapy targets a specific genetic condition known as Leber's congenital amaurosis, a hereditary disease that affects the retina, leading to gradual vision loss from a very young age. Children born with this condition often face severe visual impairment, and unfortunately, by their 20s, most experience complete blindness. The root cause lies in genetic defects that disrupt essential chemical processes in retinal cells. The team of scientists led by Katherine Hai, Jean Bennett, and Albert McGuire developed a technique that uses a harmless virus to deliver a healthy gene directly to affected cells in the retina. This innovative approach involves injecting the therapy under the retina, allowing it to restore the function of light-receptive cells by recycling crucial vitamin A molecules necessary for vision. Designed to be a one-time treatment per eye, Luxturna has shown astonishing results in clinical trials. Since its approval by the U.S. Food and Drug Administration in 2017, nearly 500 individuals in the United States have benefited from it. These trials documented significant improvements in light sensitivity and vision under low light conditions. One heartwarming story is of a 10-year-old boy who, for the first time, witnessed the beauty of falling snow, a sight he never thought possible. This remarkable improvement in vision has profoundly impacted patients' lives, enabling them to engage in everyday activities with newfound ease. The success of Luxturna is paving the way for over 140 new clinical trials targeting other diseases, such as age-related macular degeneration, glaucoma, and diabetic retinopathy. Beyond the eye, research is expanding to other parts of the body, from improving hearing in children with genetic deafness to addressing systemic diseases like Duchenne muscular dystrophy and spinal muscular atrophy. These advancements mark a significant leap toward a brighter medical future, offering radical solutions to what were once considered untreatable conditions. Luxturna's success story is a beacon of hope, not just for those with Leber's congenital amaurosis, but for millions worldwide living with various genetic disorders. Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating science content.